Hi, my name is William. Today, I would like to introduce one of our new product, high temperature LED high bay. We call it HB31. AGC have many different high bays, but this one is mainly for high temperature applications. In past years, we have received many requirements for high temperature applications like foundries, steel mills, smelters, and glass production factories. As you know, the old lighting fixture like HID, HPS, and metal headlights are replacing by LED lights. However, the high temperature and high temperature water vapor are big killer of the fixtures. They will reduce the lighting fixture lifespan and accelerate the lumen decrease. When temperature up to 60 to 70 centigrade, the fixture will be limited and not light on. It will seriously affect the production. When you make this kind of projects, our HB31 is the right choice for you. This high bay, we have large aluminum heat sink, ensure wide surface area for heat dissipation. The hollow structure design allows effective heat transfer. This housing has strong powder coating finish, making it robust and resistant from chemicals and high temperature water vapor. And this fitting, we have an IP65 rating, so it is dust tight and waterproof. The most important two parts are LED driver and LED chip. Now, we are talking about the LED driver. In order to guarantee the driver long lifespan, our driver was put into the rectangle driver box to optimize the heat dissipation. We use Philips driver. Through our reliability testing in our laboratory, in ambient temperature 70 centigrade, the driver TC case has 83.2 degree. And it is obvious to see from our chart, the limit for the driver TC case is 90 degree. So our driver is reliable and with 5 years warranty. LED chip is another key part to impact lighting fixture lifespan. We use initial chip. From the TN-21 text report, our lumen maintains for HB31 200 watts has 82% in ambient temperature 70 degree after 50,000 hours. This high bay, we selected 120 degree beam angle tempered glass as our standard. Not only consider it provides strong protection, but also it can avoid pollution by dust and dirty sinks. HB31 is available for two kinds of installation, ceiling mounted and suspending mounted. In normal, our HB31 120 beam angle with tempered glass mounting height can between 6 meter to 12 meter. Some of projects, the mounting height is more higher than 12 meter. We will suggest you use 90 degree aluminum refractor on our fixture. And then it will make the light more concentrated and uniformity. The ceiling mounted or bracket is available for your requirement. And we will provide you our safety roll as standard before we deliver the high bay. HB31 with high efficiency up to 165 lumen per watt. The lumen output covers from 16,500 lumen to 33,000 lumen output. It can completely replace 400 watt or 800 watt HID. It can lower investment cost and installation labor cost, cause less fixture will be used. Also, it will decrease the frequency of replacing fixtures and improving the productivity. We can benefit a lot from upgrading industry facility with such high temperature LED high bay. Hopefully I have covered everything you need to know about high temperature LED high bay HB31. However, if you need additional information, please visit our website www.agcled.com. Thanks for watching.